parents and students, how are you? Today, Miss will guide you how to make your project for next week. We want to make a snail, so Miss will provide you a big circle, rectangle, and white small circle. Okay, first we must bend the circle into half circle. Next we put the other circle as a shell. And we put the rectangle for the antenna. And we put the small circle for the eyes. And don't forget to make the pattern in the shell.